I love my people. Okay. I hope everyone's liking this content. You know, free was better than free. Like the blood, it's free. Okay. Ding. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be posting more stuff. More stuff, more stuff, more stuff for your benefit. Free. Because I love you. Yes, I do. Otherwise, I would say, give me your money. No, I love you, free. Okay, you can, this knowledge and this information I'm giving to people. The reason why I'm doing it for free. Another thing. It's red and it's free, you know. Okay, here you go. Otherwise, you know, if you would hire a personal trainer who is educated medically and scientifically how to grow your body, nutrition, diet, mobility, time under tension, he knows what kind of nutrients, what kind of vitamins, what kind of hormones, what kind of center of gravity works for every person, you know, works for what body type, if they're ectomorph, if they're mesomorph, if they're endomorph, if they're fat, if they're in the middle, if they're skinny, but, you know, a woman with no booty, it's like so flat that you can just spray some graffiti on there, you know, anything, you know, I give this away for free, all of it for free, you know, all of it for free, because I love you. Otherwise, you can go to a private personal trainer, and they charge $100 an hour for this information, and this is free for the US, baby, land of the free. I love you.